Welcome students to the next video on geometric constructions. In this video, we'll see how to construct a tangent to a circle from a point that lies outside the circle. The following are the steps of constructions involved. So the first step is construct a circle of any radius with the center. Take any point P in the exterior of the circle. In the second step, one thing should be noted that if the distance of the point from the center is mentioned, then the students will have to measure that distance. Third step says draw a segment OP, draw perpendicular bisector to segment OP to get its midpoint M. So after joining the center of the circle to the point P, you draw a perpendicular bisector to this segment and name its midpoint as point M. Now, draw a circle with radius OM and center M. Name the points of intersection of the circle as A and B. Now, for the final step, you join or you draw lines PA and PB, and this will be the tangents to the circle from point P that lies outside the circle. And as we know the property that from a point that lies outside the circle, we can draw two tangents to the circle. And same thing we get through this particular construction. Let us do an example. This is an example sum from your practice set 4.2, the fifth one, which says, draw a circle with radius 3.4 centimeters. Draw a chord of MN of length 5.7 centimeters in it. Construct tangents at point M and N to the circle. First, let us see the steps of constructions involved. The first step will be construct a circle of radius 3.4 centimeters with center P. Take a point Q in the exterior of the circle such that the distance between PQ is 5.5 centimeters. Draw a segment PQ. Draw perpendicular bisector of segment PQ to get its midpoint M. Then draw a circle with radius PM and center M. Name the point of intersection of the two circles as A and B. And then finally, you draw line QA and line QB, which will be the tangents to the circle. Now let us start with the construction. For this construction, we will require a compass and a ruler. Okay, so first thing is we need to draw a circle of radius 3.4 centimeters. So on your scale, you measure 3.4 on your compass, that will be the radius. So this is 3.4, and now we'll draw a circle of radius 3.4 centimeters. Okay, so this is the circle with radius 3.4 centimeters. We'll name its center as P. Next, we have to take point, if you see the second step, take point Q in the exterior of the circle such that distance between the center P and Q is 5.5. Now for this, we'll require our compass, our ruler, and with the help of your ruler, from the center of the circle, you draw 5.5. Now, this will be point Q, and this distance is 5.5. And we know the radius of the circle is 3.4 centimeters. Okay. Now, we need to draw a perpendicular bisector for for the segment PQ. So for that, you take your compass and put your pointer of your compass at point Q, take suitable distance more than half and draw an arc. Same way, without changing, put the pointer of the compass at point P and you cut an arc on the other side. Now, with the help of these two arcs, you draw arc above and below. So I'll draw arc up and I'll draw the arc below as well. Now put the pointer on the second arc and we'll cut this arc of ours. So I'll cut this arc. Similarly, the above one. Now we drawing the point of, just join the point of intersection of the two arcs. You see, this is the point of intersection, and this point will be the midpoint, and then I'll name it as M. Once you have got the midpoint of the segment, you take the pointer of your compass, put it at point M, and keeping as MP the radius. Okay, keeping MP the radius, you draw a arc that will cut the circle at 2 points. We'll draw an arc that will cut the circle at 2 different points. So we'll name those points as point A and point B. This I'll name it as point A, and this I'll name it as point B. Now with the help of your ruler, you join QA and join QB. This will be your tangents. So this will be tangent 1, this will be tangent 2. This is the way we draw tangent to the circle from a point that lies outside the circle. Let us do one more sum. That is the sixth one. Draw a circle of radius 3.4 centimeters and center E. Take a point F on the circle. Take another point A such that EFA, that means F lies between E and A. Distance between FA is 4.1 centimeters, and draw tangents to the circle from point A. These are the steps involved. Step 1 would be construct a circle of radius 3.4 centimeters with center E. Mark a point F on the circle. Take a point A in the exterior of the circle such that FA is 4.1. Draw a segment FA. Draw perpendicular bisector for segment EA to get its midpoint. Draw a circle with radius EM and center M. Name the point of intersection of the two circles as X and Y, and draw line AX and line AY. Let us start with the construction. First, we'll draw the circle of radius 3.4 centimeters. So for this, we require our compass and a ruler. So first, measure 3.4 on your compass. So this is 3.4 on my compass. So first, we'll draw 3.4 radius, circle of radius 3.4. We'll name the center as E. After that, they've said you take point F on the circle. So this will be my point F. Once you get your point F, you see, then you take A and the exterior of the circle such that distance FA is 4.1. So for this, you'll require your compass. Put your compass at point F and you measure 4.1 here. So I'll measure 4.1 here. So this will be 4.1. This will be point A, that is 4.1. So I'll write here A, and this is 4.1 centimeters. Next is we need to find the midpoint of segment EA. So we'll have to bisect segment EA. So to bisect segment EA, you take your compass, put a pointer of your compass at point A, take suitable length of more than half, and you draw an arc on both the sides. Now without changing the length, put it at point E and draw an arc on the other side. Now with the help of these two arcs, we'll draw an arc above and below to find the perpendicular bisector. I'll draw arc below as well. We'll cut this arc. Now you put a pointer on another arc and you cut this previous arcs that we have drawn. So I'll cut this arc here. Similarly, you cut the arc above. And now, with the help of your ruler, join these two intersection points. Okay, now we'll name the midpoint as point M. Next, what you have to do is you take your compass, put your pointer at point M, and take the radius as ME, and you draw arc that will cut 2 points on the circle. These 2 points you name it as X and Y. And lastly, you join point A to X and you join point A to Y. These will be your 2 tangents. So this will be tangent 1, this will be tangent 2. So that's it for today's video. So in this video, we have studied constructing tangents to a circle from a point that lies outside the circle. Thank you.